to make chicken wing with Pepsi. Okay, Pepsi chicken wing. Make this. How to make this? Let's see. Let's explore this. This is, you know, what we are doing is simply we sliced in between so that the taste can enter. And right now what we have done is we are kind of boiling it and cleaning it more properly. You see, when we boil this, kind of all these dirty things will come out. Okay, so we just want to make sure that we are very clean. Actually, I don't eat, but I cook because my daughter likes to eat this one. I know she's small. I'm pure vegetarian, but I don't mind cooking for them because they like it. Now we can see that our this is clean. What else do we need? We need some ginger, okay, some spring onions. You can put onion also, and this is also another kind of. This is called lasun ka saag. What do we call it? This is mainly the garlic based plant. So we just want to put this as additional stuff, but the main ingredient is definitely the Pepsi. Okay. Step, we are going to fry this. We put a little bit of oil, put a little bit of ginger. We are ready for frying it. We just want to make it a little bit brown, and then we'll add the Pepsi. And the main color is coming from the dark soya sauce. So we have fried up to this level. Okay. You can fry if you want, but if you want it to be a little bit soft, it's also fine, depending on your like. But I will fry it till it becomes a little brown, and then we'll go ahead and add the Pepsi. So this is the main part where we are directly adding the Pepsi. So we got, now the name comes Pepsi Chicken Wings. So we have immersed this with the Pepsi now, and we'll add different ingredients. Like I said, we will be adding some greens for extra taste, and then we'll add some salt. So here we go with the salt, but this soya sauce is important. Okay, soya sauce is important. And after we are done, we will add the dark soya sauce to give the color. So right now we are kind of done with this one. We'll cover it for some time and hide it so that it's cooked. Since we are waiting for this to be okay, we will prepare another thing. We will cook some veg. The veg is divided into two parts, the hard part and the soft part. So we'll put the soft part first. Added nothing, just the garlic, and then we are going to use this one. When the heat is sufficient, you just put it there. That's it. This is the soft part. We are going to add the soft part as well. You can kind of stop because it is more hard to cook. So we put this one earlier. So the only two ingredients that we need to add is salt, because we want to eat it fresh and green. We will not put anything extra. We just want to have the taste of the greens. You can put some salt like this according to taste. You can add little bit of waiting if you want. Now we mix it and we just pour it there. You can check the steps of the. So you can see this veg is cooked now, right? We are ready by the time. Look at this one. And look at it. That's how it is done. We'll take this veg off. You can see this is very raw, but it's very delicious. Okay, and it doesn't have anything else. Also got some tofu, which is just marinated with the chili. Now this is the phase where we are waiting for this to dry up, and now we'll put the dark soya sauce. Just put a little bit, don't put too much. Yes, now the color is coming. You just have to ignore everything else. We'll just take out the chicken wings. Other food just complementary. Okay? Now we are ready to go. Okay, we got the first one, the second one, the third one. You can garnish with something green. So this is how we have got it. we have got our chicken wings ready. Okay, I hope it looks wonderful, so the taste will definitely be wonderful.